Well, hello, folks. Welcome to this mid-ish July update of Let's Build Our Tech Business. So, definitely been a while since I last spoke with the couple viewers that we have, but just a quick update. Work-life balance has absolutely sucked these past couple months. Many back-to-back 100+ hour weeks. It was miserable. And as a result of probably a year of these nasty hours, extreme burnout. But good news, swapped roles internally and have a new role now. So things might be looking up. We shall see. So this will be a super short video. Just wanted to kind of give an update of where we stand on bringing the business to profitability. So as you remember, a few other videos ago, I showed kind of our Stripe balance of $12 that we received. Pretty minimal, but it's a number. So long way to go for any sense of profitability when we take into account hosting cost, domain cost, and all that good stuff. But small update. Hey, we managed to get some outputs done. So this is actually primarily from one project that was doing post those grueling hours of work. So those 100+ hour work weeks extended out even more, but managed to squeeze this in, and we may actually be in the green a couple dollars this year when we write the expenses down. We'll see. But a little bit about what got us there. So it was really one project request from a prior classmate, and that project spanned across really 7 work requests, and definitely heavily discounted this effort for them. Just to be nice there. Old classmates. I wanted to give them a really good rate on this. So split this out into a couple pieces, and I'll talk a little bit about these. But essentially, the first piece, they wanted to run across a website and gather data automatically, and then generate a dynamic image based on that content. So used a couple of libraries in Python to achieve that. That was kind of that initial take of what they wanted. So that got that first 30 rolling. From there, we worked on building out a alerting bot and essentially a custom database for price changes of a product catalog on a website. And from there, continued on with some more functionality, and this included mirroring specific content on that website, as well as some interesting custom pricing algorithms that they wanted to do. So this took into consideration both the products on the website as well as some ancillary items, and calculated new pricing for them. From there, we moved into a pretty large effort. This had quite a bit more than is shown here, but at a super top level, we had additional alerting, additional features to that dynamic image generation that I hinted at prior. Various speed optimizations were thrown in, such as threading, etc. And really, this is the area that added a bunch of new custom algorithms that pretty much worked with the products and some of those ancillary things on the website to do some interesting calculations there. Down the road, I might show you all what that looked like. From there, we did a couple other work requests. This other one was primary quality of life features, restructuring of the software to make it easier to run, rerunnable, a couple other features that were requested just to make life simpler for kind of a long-term management of this piece of software. And really, we introduced a couple of the additional data ingestion pipelines. So this supported pulling in, let's say, targeted pieces of products as well as ancillary data into the broader ecosystem of the software I developed. We had a smaller request down the road, and all of these were fleshed out on kind of statements of works, just kind of detailing out what was going to be delivered, how it would behave, and everything. So each of these were definitely agreed upon. We got to a point where customer did feel like they wanted to make a couple changes, so did a super cheap change request order here with the statement of work covering kind of what changed there. There's a couple formatting stuff on the dynamic images, as well as some of the pricing algorithms and sorting filter options. Those changed a little bit. And then finally, we had one last effort here. That was some of the base functionality that was already made here, but what we did was target those automations on another website, and that was also successful. So each of these were kind of coded, iterative, got customer feedback as we moved along, and validation that yeah, this is the direction that they wanted. Things are working as intended. Then drop that on GitHub and deliver that to the customer. Customer super satisfied, and been kind of tapering off the maintenance and support period for the delivery since everything kind of functioned to expectations here. Did a couple free changes as well in between these, just as a kind of favor. Typically for, let's say, down the road projects, these rates would definitely be higher from the amount of delivery. I would say likely gave maybe a 50 to 70% discount on rates here. I think down the road, though, can squeeze in some opportunities for various automations and things like that. They're both fun for me to work on, and I can bang them out pretty efficiently. That said, 10PAL6 still exists. The general principle and everything hasn't changed. Hopefully, I will now have a little bit of more breathing room to be able to work on this side project. So fingers crossed, folks. Hopefully, we'll be seeing some more movement down the road. So thanks, folks, for joining in and watching this very short update. If you like what you see and want to keep up with this, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. All right. Thanks, folks, and have a wonderful rest of the week.